Searching for a place to wander, I look around at many things, but finding somewhere that feels right is harder than I thought. Eventually, even leaving the house feels like a chore, and I just sigh, here we go again. Lying on my bed, though part of me wanted to go somewhere. The hands of the clock creep toward the afternoon. The breeze slipping in through the window feels like it's quietly comforting me, like a gentle hand brushing my hair. If I'm gonna do anything, maybe I should just hop in the car and drive toward a town I've never seen. Some unfamiliar scenery waiting to unfold. Even the simple act of pressing the pedal might carry me to a whole new world before I even notice. Glancing outside, rain begins to fall. I guess it's good I didn't go out today, I mutter, half joking. But deep down I know it's not the weather, it's the disappointment in myself for staying still again. I tried cleaning the room, but my heart is already out there, watching raindrops race down the glass. I find myself imagining how things might have been if I just stepped outside. Then maybe I should grab the car keys now, head out and start the engine. This restless, heavy feeling in my chest might wash away like raindrops flicked aside by the wiper sliding off the windshield into the wind. Driving down the road, a light pop tune fills the car, lifting my mood with every beat. And I think I should have done this sooner. Maybe that small regret is the start of